I'm Alyssa here with Mechatex, and this is Haley. We're going to talk a little bit about U.S. moon landings. So right here, we have a rover, Apollo 15, that landed in the Sea of Rains, and then 16 and 17 are rovers as well. 17 landed in Taurus Littoral Valley, and 16 landed in the Descartes Highlands, and then right over here, I'm going to bring the Nova C 1 and 2. They landed in the South Pole and both tipped over, one last year and one this past Thursday.
The Blue Ghost mission landed in the Sea of Crisis, and all of the employees that work at Firefly are engraved in this area, and the Apollo 11 landed in the Sea of Tranquility, and
all of these moon landing sites, all the, what are these called?
Landers and vehicles.
All the landers and vehicles are going to be on the moon forever.